Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Samsung device to Oppo A38. You need to begin by opening Play Store on both to install free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Then, in order to set it up, follow the same instructions on both smartphones. I will start with Oppo. Firstly, click on I agree and I acknowledge at the top. Then select Confirm, Continue and Allow. Now on the second one, I agree and I acknowledge. Confirm, Continue, Allow. Now you can select Not Now in New Updates pop-up or just click on OK right away. Lastly, click on Close in white pop-up at the top and select Send at the bottom left corner of Samsung. Then Receive right next to Send at the bottom of Oppo. Following that, you can go back to Samsung device and select all of your files that you wish to send. In order to do that, click on one of those categories at the top, select some or all of your files, and when you're done, click on Send next to Selected at the bottom. In some of those categories, like contacts, you need to choose Allow a couple of times. Finally, click on Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way is better for you. If you wish to connect by scanning this QR code, click on the scanning icon next to Input key on Oppo. Then allow camera access in the pop-up and point your device's camera at the code. If you prefer to input this key, click on Input Key section and copy all of those numbers before they expire. Then hit Receive. So when I do that, as you can see, my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!